Sonam Wangchuk has been forcefully removed from the Jantar Mantar. He has been taken to the Safdarjung hospital. And here you can see Abhijit Dipke has just announced that he will be going on a hunger strike. He will be sitting on an indefinite fast starting today. He has also said that the Parliament March on the 20th will take place as per the plan, and that the movement will only become stronger. The crowd here has swelled in the past 1 hour or so since the news of Sonam Wangchuk being taken to the hospital came out. So what really unfolded this morning was that the Delhi police and rapid action forces etc. and several police personnel in civil dress as well came onto the stage and took Mr. Sonam Wangchuk to the hospital in a government ambulance. This was the stage here. He was sitting on the stage here. Police have also told us is that he has been taken to the hospital for medical intervention for quote-unquote essential care as per the court's directions. Remember, the High Court had said that the government must monitor his health daily and take whatever medical intervention needed. In fact, the Solicitor General representing the government had also said that we will take whatever medical intervention needed. But these people claim that he was taken forcefully and that he was taken against his will. And now Abhijit Dipke has said that he will be sitting on an indefinite fast and that the movement will now only get stronger. He has appealed to supporters and various organizations, including farmers organizations and various opposition leaders as well, to come and join the movement here